Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your MacBook Neo. Before pairing your Bluetooth device with this MacBook, you're gonna have to make sure that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Normally, Bluetooth devices will start blinking rapidly like this when put in the pairing mode, and to achieve this effect you're gonna have to hold down some kind of home button or power button for a couple of seconds on them, and after you have made sure that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode, you're gonna have to click this control center icon on the toolbar of your MacBook. Then make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on, and if it's turned off, just click the Bluetooth icon to make it turn the white color. Then click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth, select Bluetooth settings. Here you'll be able to see the nearby devices around you, and all you have to do is select the device you want to connect to from the list and click connect next to it, and then wait until your device is paired. Then if you want to disconnect from this device, just click disconnect button, and if you want to unpair it, click the information icon next to the device you want to unpair and select forget this device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.